We are going to probably the biggest highlight I'll have, at least for a while, which is Hobbiton. I've been wanting to go to the Shire set for a very, very, very long time. I really like The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings and Tolkien in general, so I'm really excited.
I'm excited too. I'm excited to see his excitement. But I've seen the movies. I watched The Hobbit. I've never read the books because Austin took 10 years to get through them. He's still not done. How many more pages do you have?
I have like 80 pages left.
He has 80 pages left, and he's been reading this since sophomore year of high school.
We're at Hobbiton. I'm so excited. And we have our tickets and our little brochures, just kind of talking about them making the site and everything like that. And now we're just waiting to get on the bus and then head on over to the actual site where they filmed everything. Well, we would have actually talked a little more while we were going through Hobbiton, but the way they have it set up, they've got multiple tours going kind of all at once, and it's really hard to kind of stop and talk. So we're just kind of going to recap it at the end. We just got done doing the tour and we came inside the Green Dragon Inn, and they have some free complimentary drinks, and we got a beef and ale meat pie to go with it. So we're gonna chow down and have a drink. Really hearty.
What does it taste like?
Kind of like Salisbury steak on the inside, and then it's kind of got like a non-sweet pie crust, sort of.
Huh, interesting. Okay, my turn. Okay, so I got apple cider. They call it apple cider. We call it hard cider. So I'm gonna try this first. Tastes just like hard cider. And then I'm gonna try the Salisbury steak mince pie thingy. I'm a mess. Oh my gosh. It's very much like a Salisbury steak. I'm not normally a fan of Salisbury steak, but this is actually pretty good. Way to go.
Lagoon?
No, we're at Blue Springs.
We're at Blue Springs right now, but all of the detail that they had in Hobbiton was really nice. I'm a really big fan of the books and the movies, so it was really nice to kind of see where they captured everything and all the detail that they had put into it, and how pretty it was after they kept it after building it for the second time. But all in all, I'd say that it's very much worth it to go see it, and you get a free drink at the end of it. So that's also nice, because the Green Dragon Inn is a complete full setup, and getting to walk through the Shire was a lot of fun.
So after going to Hobbiton today, we decided to go to Blue Springs. It is actually really pretty. Well, so like the Blue Springs, like from the start of the hike, it's kind of underwhelming. But if you just like keep on walking down the track, it's just beautiful. Like it's just a nice hike. Oh my goodness. With your pipe. See what I have to deal with? This guy.